Oh my god, I see the teddy bear. I don't know what I think about this. Hello, I'm back in Seoul. It's 2nd of November 2025, which will be the finale of my South Korea and Japan travel. I went to 5 other cities in South Korea. I went to Japan for a week and then now I'm back in Seoul. I'm very excited to be staying here for 5 nights. Look at this hotel room that I'm in. I'm staying at the Sotetsu hotels, the Splaisir in Myeongdong or Namdaemun. I booked the cheapest room, which it did say something about line friends, but it said like it's not sure that you will get the room, so I was kind of thinking that I wouldn't get it, but I got it. It's me and the kids. Literally this chair that I'm sitting on is very low, probably because it's a popular room for kids, but I am a 5-year-old child within me, so I guess it's fine. That is so cute, actually. Let's go in for the first time. Oh my god, that is so cute. So I'm here at Sotetsu Hotels, the Splaisir Myeongdong, and I booked like the cacao theme with Brown, the teddy bear. And look, oh my gosh, the entrance here, it's got the blue things. And I see the teddy bear there. That is so cute. Oh my god. That's actually so cute. I was a little bit afraid of having like a themed room, but this is just cute. Look, this is like a full-on theme. Look at that one. And then there's one there. So I have 2 twin beds. This looks like a children's room. Is there anything? Can I see anything? Oh, look at the view. That's so cool. This is insane. I am so shocked. Oh, and the bathroom is awesome. Is this for like washing your feet? Toilet? Sink is so pretty. Wow, I am just in shock of this theme thing. I think this is a 4-star hotel as well, so it's very like pretty, but I got a really decent price. I think I booked this so many months in advance, so I got a really good price. $100 approximately a night, but I saw the prices now are around like 120 to 170 or something per night. That's a tip. If you book a hotel in advance, there's often like free cancellations, and the good hotels often goes first, and you can get usually a good price if you're early. I did that for this trip, and I'm very happy with my accommodation this trip. So, oh, there's the pajamas. Anyways, I'm gonna pack out. Also, if you've seen my other South Korea vlogs, you know that I am very happy to finally see some hangers. Finally! This is so crazy with this theme, because it's not just one pillow. Like, it's literally the entire room. It's like overwhelming almost. I don't know what I think about this. This might be a little bit too much. There's a little bit too many like eyes on me, like from the teddies. I mean, I did not purposely want this room. I actually sent them a message and asked if there was like any other available for the same price without the theme, but now that I got it, I can deal with it, and it's a little bit funny. I just arrived today. I arrived at Gimpo airport. After checking in, I met up with a friend that I met here actually in Seoul last year, so that's very cool that we meet again here this year. We just had some dinner. I had kimchi jjigae in Myeongdong area. We are gonna do the Bukhansan hike tomorrow. I got food for the hike. So I'll show you what I got. Let's do a little food haul. GS25. For breakfast, I'm thinking of having this sandwich with this chocolate milk. For the hike, I'm bringing 2 kimbap, tuna mayo, and egg and ham, 2 eggs. I finally found protein bar, electrolytes. Lastly, I'm just bringing bananas. We're gonna go at 6 a.m. so I will just relax and go to bed early. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow at the hike. Got a little